Welcome to Phone Transformer, where we help you navigate your mobile world with ease and confidence. Today, we are going to show you exactly how to copy a text message on Android so you can save and share your important information in seconds. Now let's get started. Method 1. Step 1. Locate and open the messaging app on your Android device from your home screen or app drawer. This application is the primary place where all your SMS and chat history is stored for easy access. Step 2. Scroll through your list of conversations and find the specific message you want to copy to your clipboard. It is important to identify the exact bubble containing the text you need before moving to the next action. Step 3. Press and hold your finger on the message for a second or two until it becomes highlighted and a menu appears. This long press action triggers the selection mode, allowing the system to know which specific piece of text you want to interact with. Step 4. Tap on the word copy or select the clipboard icon that usually appears at the top or center of the screen. This action saves the text to your phone's temporary memory, making it ready to be transferred to any other location. Step 5. Navigate away from your messages and open the app or location where you want to paste the copied message. Whether it is an email, a note, or a different chat, having the destination open is necessary for the final transfer. Step 6. Tap and hold your finger inside the empty text box and select the paste option that pops up immediately. This final step inserts your copied text into the new field, completing the transfer of information smoothly and quickly. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech tips